ever pondered about the driving forces behind climate change and its impact on us? Welcome to SCI-FUN, your destination for exploring science in a playful, digestible manner. Today, we unravel the complex knot of climate change, its causes, effects, plus the pros and cons that come with it. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in our Earth's typical weather patterns, encompassing temperature, precipitation, wind, and seasons. This change primarily stems from human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, agricultural practices, and industry operations. These activities emit greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide into the atmosphere, trapping heat from the sun and warming our planet. This phenomenon, known as the greenhouse effect, is both natural and essential for life on Earth. Yet an excess of greenhouse gases disrupts the Earth's climate system's natural balance, leading to an overly warm planet. Now, onto the effects of climate change. It has a ripple effect on the environment, economy, and society. Firstly, the global average temperature, having already risen by approximately 1.1 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial era, is projected to further escalate by 1.5 degrees Celsius to 4.5 degrees Celsius by the end of this century, contingent on greenhouse gas emissions. This temperature surge impacts human health, agriculture, biodiversity, and energy. Secondly, Earth's warming triggers faster melting of ice and snow in polar regions, glaciers, and mountain peaks, resulting in reduced freshwater availability and rising sea levels. The latter, having increased by approximately 20 centimeters since 1900, is predicted to escalate by 30 centimeters to 120 centimeters by 2100, again depending on greenhouse gas emissions. The rise in sea level brings about flooding, erosion, saltwater intrusion, and displacement of coastal communities and ecosystems. Thirdly, Earth's warming alters the distribution and intensity of rainfall and snowfall worldwide, leading to more droughts in some regions and more floods in others. These changes affect the water supply, food security, hygiene, and sanitation of humans and other living beings. Lastly, the warming Earth intensifies the likelihood and severity of extreme weather events, including heat waves, cold snaps, storms, hurricanes, cyclones, tornadoes, and wildfires. These events can lead to fatalities, injuries, diseases, damages, losses, and disruptions. Despite the overwhelmingly detrimental effects of climate change, it does bring about certain advantages, albeit fewer. Some regions, sectors, and groups of people might benefit from longer growing seasons and higher crop yields, reduced heating costs and lower mortality rates in winter, increased tourism and recreation opportunities, and enhanced access to natural resources and trade routes. However, the disadvantages undeniably outweigh the advantages. These include reduced water availability and quality, increased risk of heat stress, diseases and pests, loss of biodiversity and habitats, and increased risk of conflicts and migrations. To sum up, climate change, largely driven by human activities, disrupts the Earth's natural climate balance, causing numerous negative effects on the environment, economy, and society. While certain advantages exist, the disadvantages are far more significant and detrimental. Therefore, it is crucial to take collective action to mitigate these effects and strive for a sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through climate change on SCI-FUN. Stay curious, stay informed.